Hello, my name is Sandra Munoz. I am a student business administration. Um, wow. My opinion about positive and negative effect of the technology on the environment. Well, my from my point of view, technology has negative effect on the environment. Mm, because the large amount of technological waste storing homes without use are a risk because if they are discarded and missing with common waste, they can release highly polluting substances and they will affect the environment and the health of the population. For example, every year, um, cellular company can offer new cell phones, um, but will what will happen with the old cellular phone that you aren't going to use? All these technological garbage will be our destruction if we don't care to the air. Um, how do you say the future of our planet? Well, I if people don't change their habits, I believe the future of planet is bad. However, I hope that everyone be care of the environment, maybe with something as small as learning recycling. Okay, how to mitigate the environmental damage? Well, some people say I wish I could help, but they don't do nothing. Uh, However, I consider that everyone contribute with a small action such as recycling, reforesting, respecting nature, taking care of water, taking care of animals, taking care of habit animals. So we mitigate environmental damage. Mm, Thank you.